Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to FMT Guru. We are discussing forensic medicine question paper pattern as per CBME curriculum by Rguhs and also distribution of topics and also the practical exercises and also the marks that is awarded to the each exercise. Let's start with the theory. Theory paper. So 100 mark paper it is. 100 marks. If you ask me, distribution of marks in theory question paper of forensic medicine as per RGHS guidelines, the answer is general forensic medicine. General forensic medicine means that includes legal procedure. So basically, dying declaration, dying deposition, medical records, cause of death. So all this is around 5 mark. So general forensic medicine 5 marks. Then comes is forensic pathology. What is forensic pathology? So forensic pathology that includes thanatology, that is a study of death in detail, the postmortem changes, immediate changes, early changes, late changes, rigor mortis, one very commonly asked question. Then medico legal autopsy. What are types of autopsy? What are the rules of autopsy? What are the techniques of autopsy? So that can be asked in your exam. Then comes is very important topic, asphyxia. So that is hanging, strangulation, suffocation, drowning. So then thermal death, basically dry burn injuries are very commonly asked. Rule of 9. Then death due to starvation, neglect, infanticide. All this that includes about 25 marks. So infanticide, basically difference between stillbirth and live birth. So general forensic medicine 5 mark, forensic pathology 25 mark. Then clinical forensic medicine, it includes identification, the Gustafson method, very commonly asked. Mechanical injuries, abrasion, bruise, contusion, laceration, stab wound, and also incised wound. Then firearm injuries, entry wound, exit wound, very commonly asked. Regional injuries, skeletal fractures, hemorrhages. Then comes is sexual offences, definition of rape, punishment for rape, classification of sexual offences, sodomy, sexual perversion, very commonly asked. Then comes 3 marks question, virginity, true virgin and false virgin, pregnancy, signs of pregnancy, abortion, MTP Act, impotency, causes of impotency, sterility, sterilization, artificial insemination, torture and child abuse, that is around 25. So 25 is clinical forensic medicine out of 100 mark. Forensic pathology 25, general forensic medicine, that is 5. Then comes is your medical jurisprudence. In medical jurisprudence, so medical law and ethics, one very important topic is your medical negligence, infamous conduct. Bioethics, principles of bioethics, very commonly asked. Research ethics also can be asked as a 3 marks question. So around 15 mark. Forensic psychiatry, that includes delusion, hallucination, impulse disorder, difference between true insanity, false insanity, feigned insanity. Forensic laboratory investigation, especially FSL, blood stain, seminal stain. So all this usually that is around 5 mark. And the last topic, but not the least, general toxicology. General toxicology, chemical toxicology, pharmaceutical toxicology, bio, socio-medical, environment toxicology, around 25 mark. So 25 marks out of 100 that do come from your forensic medicine toxicology. Remember, organophosphorus poisoning, one very commonly asked main question. So, and snake. So very important topic that we discussed many times in our previous videos. Okay. Yes. So this is about the theory. So I'll repeat again. So general forensic medicine 5 mark, forensic pathology 25, clinical forensic medicine 25, medical jurisprudence 15, forensic psychiatry 5, general toxicology including entire toxicology, that is 25 marks. So this is about the theory. Then comes to the practical exercise. So practical, as you know, it is around 80 marks. Okay, 80 marks exercise. So what is the blueprint? If you ask me, what is the OSPE in FMT? So objectively structured practical examination in FMT, 80 marks. The first one is own certificate. Own certificate, very very important, 10 mark. Age certificate, 15 mark. So age certificate, remember, in age certificate you need to write at least some opinion, like example, opinion after general physics examination, opinion after X-ray examination, opinion after dental examination, then the final opinion. So that's why it is 15 mark. Skeletal remains, so around 10 mark. Then victim of rape or accused of rape or drunkenness certificate. So either you will get the examination of victim of rape pro forma or accused of rape or drunkenness certificate, that is around 10 mark. Then PM certificate, 10 mark. So like postmortem, commonly done postmortem in forensic medicine, like example, case of hanging, case of drowning, case of poisoning, what are the viscera to be preserved. So all this, that is PM certificate. Then spotters, the spotter, 10 mark. So 1 mark each, 10 spotter. So it can be one wet specimen, 1 or 2 from the toxicology, so 1 or 2 from the weapons, photographs, postmortem changes. So that anything that can be asked, that we discussed in detail in spotters. Then comes is compulsory exercise, MCCD. What is MCCD? Medical certification of cause of death. So that is around 10 marks. So you can see here totally around it is 80 mark. And also one more exercise, so that is preservation of evidentiary materials in poisoning. So what are the evidentiary materials collected? Bottle number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Preservation of DNA materials, so that is usually around 5 mark. So totally it is 80. Okay, totally it is 80. So this is about your FMT practical. So what are the exercise? I'll repeat again: own certificate, A certificate, skater remains. So either victim of rape, accused of rape, or drunkenness certificate, that is 10 mark. PM certificate around 10 mark. Spotters around 10 mark. MCCD around 10 mark. 5 mark either viscera or the preservation of DNA materials. So this is about the pattern of question paper in forensic medicine as per Rguhs guidelines. Thank you.